Welcome to today's daily message. This week I've been asking the question, what does love look like? And I've reflected on what love of self looks like and what love looks like within a family. My question today is about love in our parish community. What does it look like for a parish community to love one another? And there are three criteria, once again, that I think are important for dealing with this question. The first one is that we are committed to the truth. And what is our truth? Our truth is that we are the church. We are the people of God. The truth is that we are in mission to bring God to the world and to bring the world to God. And that we are also a community. We are a very diverse group of people who are united, who are one, who love each other, who support each other, and who challenge each other when that is needed. The second way we show our love as a parish community is by being committed to each other. And what I mean by that is that we are willing to not only lead, but also follow. That we understand the importance of praying together and worshiping together as a community. And at the bottom line, that we're always grateful that we have the gift of each other. And to love as a parish community is to be willing to walk the path of suffering. And that means to do those things that are so much a part of loving, but they're the hard things: to visit the sick, to be present to those who are grieving, to help the poor, to pray for those who are hurting. At the bottom line, to realize that the reason why we suffer for each other is because we love. And so my question at the end of this little reflection is, what can each one of us do to love as a parish community? How can we show each other as a parish community that we truly love one another? Thank you for watching again today, and have a great day.